welcome. So I'm going to be walking us through how I solved a workflow solution. It's basically to when someone for me submit a form on HubSpot. So basically, we are going to be using HubSpot form, and once they submit it, we are going to automatically create a folder. So first of all is to uh, go to our market. We have under the marketing, we have forms. So here the form is new contact ox form April 1, which was created yesterday. So and then now we've know that we've created the form. So we come to our workflow. So we want to create a workflow such that when someone submit a form on HubSpot, and it triggers that form submit send the data to our n8n. So this is our workflow. So our workflow, it's as an on form submission sends the data that was submitted to our webhook. So this URL, we got it from the n8n, URL, which is this. Let me stop this. We got it from here, so which is this. So once we have that, we can copy it. So I've already added it, and then also created the form submission, so which is this. If I decided to change the URL, I can come to this place and update it. So we have the URL, and the webhook is on. So I can go back to my form so that I can submit a new data. So we have form. So so I want to submit a new form, so it takes us to that. uh, so we have that. So I want to list in for an event, and then want to submit that. So once we submit, we're going to receive the data. So you can see the data comes in, and then so the data comes in here. So probably this issue is with the n8n. So it comes in, so I can decide to execute this. So once I execute that, uh, I don't know what is wrong. So it executes. So yeah, it's taking a while. So don't know why, but it's not supposed to be. So I can come to my create contact. So it's going to create a contact or update it if that particular data exists. So it's been created, and then you can come to our create folder, and execute the step. So it's going to use the name to create a folder, so which is successful. So the name is this, and if you come to our Google Drive, you can see the folder has been created, because inside the folder parameters set our folder parent drive, my drive, and we create a parent folder resources. So we come to so this is the main parent drive. So once we got to the parent main drive, we have our resources parent folder. Inside the parent folder, we have our folder that was asked to create. So that is it on the workflow. So we can come to this, and okay, submitted the form, and that will all be it. Thank you guys, and yeah.